In our last episode, we dove deep into the world of dropshipping, a business model that has revolutionized e-commerce. We looked at how this model allows you to sell products directly to customers without ever holding inventory yourself. We explored its key advantages like low startup costs, since you're not purchasing inventory up front, and flexibility, as you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. But it wasn't all roses and sunshine. We also tackled the challenges that come with dropshipping. Remember those pesky supplier errors that can tarnish your brand's reputation? Or the notoriously low profit margins that can make it tough to turn a significant profit? Yes, dropshipping requires strategic planning and a keen understanding of your market. That was a whirlwind tour of dropshipping, but today we have a different online venture to unpack: online freelancing. So what's the deal with online freelancing? It sounds fancy, but what does it actually mean? Online freelancing is when skilled professionals leverage the internet to offer their services to clients from all over the world. From design to writing, from coding to consulting, there's a wide range of fields where freelancing thrives. Now you might be wondering how freelancing differs from traditional employment. Well, imagine trading your 9-to-5 grind for a work schedule you design. Picture yourself swapping the daily commute for a cozy home office or even a beachfront cafe. That's the freedom and flexibility freelancing offers. But wait, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With freelancing, you're the boss, and that comes with its own set of challenges. You're responsible for finding clients, managing your time, and handling all the administrative tasks. Plus, there's the elephant in the room: inconsistent income. Unlike a fixed salary, your earnings can fluctuate wildly from one month to the next. And let's not forget about the solitude. Working from home might sound great until you realize you miss the water cooler chats and office camaraderie. But hey, you might be thinking, I can handle a little uncertainty if it means freedom, flexibility, and being my own boss. So, freelancing seems like a mixed bag, doesn't it? But let's dive a little deeper. The freelancing market is vast and varied. Let's navigate this ocean together. The realm of freelancing is as diverse as the freelancers who inhabit it. The types of work available are virtually limitless, and the beauty of it is, there's something for everyone. From crafting compelling content to designing dazzling graphics, there's a freelance gig that aligns with your unique skills and passions. But that's not all. You can also find opportunities in programming, consulting, and every field in between. Imagine being a freelance writer, creating blog posts or articles for a variety of clients. Or maybe you're a graphic designer, using your creative prowess to create logos, advertisements, or websites. Perhaps you're a programmer, coding your way to a project's success. Or you're a consultant, sharing your expertise with businesses to help them thrive. The key is to identify your strengths, hone your skills, and find the niche that suits you best. And the good news? There are platforms designed to help you do just that. Enter the world of freelancing platforms. These are the bustling marketplaces where freelancers and clients come together. The big names in this space are Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and focus areas, but they all share a common goal: to connect freelancers with clients. Upwork, for instance, is known for its wide range of job categories and its robust system for tracking work. Fiverr, on the other hand, is famous for its gig-based model, where freelancers offer specific services at fixed prices. And Freelancer? It's a global platform that offers a variety of contests in addition to regular job postings. Each of these platforms has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and goals. But regardless of which platform you choose, there's one thing you can be sure of. There's a world of opportunity waiting for you. As you can see, the freelancing world is your oyster. But how do you get started? Starting as a freelancer might seem daunting, but fear not, we are here to guide you. The first step to becoming a freelancer is identifying your skills. Are you a whiz with words, a coding master, or perhaps a design guru? The world of freelancing is vast, and there's a place for every skill set under the sun. So, take some time to really think about what you can offer to the world. Remember, it's not just about what you're good at, but also what you're passionate about. After all, your passion is what will keep you going in the long run. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to create a portfolio. This is your chance to show potential clients what you can do. It's like your own personal showcase, so make it count. Include examples of your work, testimonials from previous clients, and anything else that can illustrate your abilities. Don't be shy about showing off your talent. Remember, in the freelance world, you are your own best advocate. Now let's talk about setting competitive rates. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Start by researching the average rates for your field. Then consider your level of experience and the quality of your work. Don't undersell yourself, but also remember to stay realistic. It's a delicate balance, but with some practice, you'll find the sweet spot. Now, on to communication and meeting deadlines. These are crucial aspects of freelancing. Keeping open lines of communication with your clients ensures that you're on the same page, and meeting deadlines shows that you're reliable. So be proactive in your communication, and always keep your promises. Starting is often the hardest part, but once you're in, it's all about maintaining your momentum. As you continue on your freelance journey, remember to keep learning, keep improving, and above all, keep going. Because, my friends, the world of freelancing is a thrilling ride and you're just getting started. You've landed your first gig, great, but how do you keep the ball rolling? So you've begun your freelancing journey and snagged your first job. The initial excitement is thrilling, but the real challenge lies in maintaining that success. This is where the rubber meets the road, and it's all about strategy, adaptability, and consistency. Let's start with building strong relationships with your clients. This is crucial in the freelancing world. Remember, your clients are not just a paycheck, they're your partners. Treat them with respect, keep the lines of communication open, and always deliver on your promises. This will help you build a solid reputation, and in turn, attract more clients. Next, let's talk about a freelancer's best friend, skill improvement. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and to stay relevant, you need to evolve with it. Whether it's learning a new programming language, mastering a design tool, or getting a grasp on the latest SEO trends, continual learning is the key to staying ahead of the curve. So, sharpen your skills, broaden your knowledge, and stay hungry for more. Now, on to time management. As a freelancer, you are your own boss, and with great power comes great responsibility. Juggling multiple projects, meeting deadlines, and balancing work and life can be tricky. But with effective time management, it's entirely doable. Prioritize your tasks, set realistic deadlines, and don't forget to take breaks. Remember, a well-rested mind is a productive mind. Lastly, don't be discouraged by slow periods or setbacks. Freelancing can be a roller coaster ride, and it's normal to experience highs and lows. The key is to stay resilient, keep a positive mindset, and always be prepared for the next opportunity. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing, and success will come. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful freelancing career. Keep your eyes on the prize, and before you know it, you'll be living the freelancing dream. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? Let's wrap things up. Remember, online freelancing is a world of vast opportunities. It's a realm where your skills, creativity, and work ethic are the keys to unlocking a lifestyle of flexibility and freedom. But it's not all sunsets and laptops on the beach. Freelancing can also be a challenging path, filled with competition and the need for constant growth and adaptation. We've covered the ins and outs of online freelancing, from understanding the market to getting started, and maintaining your success. You've seen how varied the freelancing market can be, with opportunities ranging from graphic design and content creation to programming and consultancy. We've also touched on the importance of crafting a standout profile, showcasing your unique skills and delivering top-notch work consistently. And remember, maintaining success as a freelancer isn't just about landing gigs. It's about building long-term relationships with clients, managing your time effectively, and continually upgrading your skills. While freelancing offers the allure of setting your own hours and choosing your projects, it also demands discipline, determination, and a dash of daring. It's a journey, not a destination. And it's a journey that's uniquely yours, with all the highs, lows, twists, and turns that come with it. And there you have it, a crash course in online freelancing. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and keep dreaming big.